I'm going to show you how to integrate your Bamboo HR account with Zinc. This integration allows reports from all the background checks that you would be doing for your candidate to be downloaded into your Bamboo HRIS system seamlessly. What you need to do first off is in your settings of your Zinc experience, you want to go into the integrations piece, at which point you would choose Bamboo HR, set up integration, and then you want to take the domain, which essentially is everything before the .bamboo.hr.com, and then paste it right in here. Authorize. And then assuming both systems are up in your browser at the same time, the integration will happen automatically. At that point, what you're going to want to do is you want to be able to map all of the custom fields appropriately. So here in the settings within your Bamboo HR account, you can go into custom fields. You'll see all the different fields that would potentially be able to be mapped directly into Zinc. And if I want to, I can go ahead and try to delete an archive. And then if I want to add the same one, short answer, optional. This new field is going to show up in the job section of the candidate. Check, save. And now that Zinc custom field is showing up within the job section. Now, if you go to your actual candidate themselves, you'll be able to see where these documents are living. So if we take Charlotte Abbott, for example, we look at her candidate profile, go into the documents under which you'll see Zinc background check. Here's the example report, and it is the full PDF that's been extracted directly from Zinc. We are GDPR compliant here at Zinc, so these reports will be deleted
after 120 days.
So you can feel super confident that all your documents are stored. Within the Zinc platform itself, you'll be able to see all the different candidates. Every day at 5:30, all the candidates will actually sync on over into your Bamboo HR account. And one thing to note also is we use lazy search, so that should also prevent any potential confusion if spelling are slightly off. Maybe there's an additional dot or dash or extra space.